Hello everyone, I am Salini and I am from Bihar and I help you to speak English fluently with confidence and without any hesitation. So guys, how are you all? I hope you are all doing well, taking care of yourselves and practicing English daily. All the best to your journey, English learning journey. So actually it is Saturday today and it is day 10 of 2026 as you all know. So guys, 10 days have passed and it feels like just yesterday we started, right? So yeah, time flies and before we know it, the year will be over. So you must have set your goals and resolutions for this year, and be it learning English, traveling to new places, or landing a new job. You have got dreams, and I hope you have started working towards them. Okay, so I have got my own goals too, and I want to improve my English and get my channel monetized as soon as possible. It is my dream, and it is not possible without your support. Yeah, so guys, today's video is special because I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. You have supported me, motivated me, and helped me reach 100 subscribers. So thank you so much guys for all the love, support and motivation. It means a lot to me. And another thing is, you guys are very helpful, so thank you so much. And yeah, I also want to wish all your wishes come true this year. I hope you achieve all the goals you have set, succeed, stay healthy and happy, and get everything you want. May all your dreams come true and you achieve your goals. And I am wishing not because you subscribed my channel. Actually, I am wishing for you. Uh, from it is not only because you subscribed and supported me. No. So I just wanted to wish you guys. So yeah. And when I started my English learning journey, I never thought I would be able to speak this clearly. I was very low on confidence and couldn't speak much, but I have improved a lot since then. And I am sharing my journey on YouTube, my practice, and what I learned. Okay, so I want you to join me on this journey. And now that I have hit 100 subscribers, it feels like a family. So your support and motivation means a lot to me. Okay, so guys, let's keep supporting each other, learning together, and make 2026 amazing. And let's achieve our goals, right? So I want to tell you guys, when I started learning English, it was not like I was learning it in a very easy way. No, sometimes I felt like I couldn't do it, I wanted to give up. Okay, and I know it happens with you guys too, and somewhere or the other I can definitely understand. But it's not just about learning English. If you have to crack any competitive exam, you work hard, but sometimes you feel like giving up when the results are not good. So, definitely it happens with everyone, it is common in life. But the main thing is, we think of giving up, but giving up is easy. Yeah, definitely it's easy. But we regret it later. So, I would say no matter what problems come, please don't give up on your journey. Just think positive and move forward. Yeah, it will be tough, but it's okay. Take a day rest, but get back on track. Okay, we have to complete what we thought for 2026, and we should not let obstacles come in our way. Right? So please guys, don't give up. And I am saying this all because when you set a goal, problems will come. Right? It's a part of life. Problems will definitely come, and we will feel like giving up. But guys, I'm not here to motivate you with big words. I am just sharing my experience. I have faced problems with English, when I was started learning, and I felt like giving up too. So the thing is, problem are normal. Okay, and we have a choice. We have a choice, give up or move forward. We can choose to stay consistent, work hard, and think positive, right? And also, we can choose to give up. So, it's on your hand. The outcome is not in our hands. But if we work hard, it might be good or bad. So, why not think positive? Yeah, think positive. I think it is better. So, guys, let's move forward in 2026 with our goals. Okay, and don't give up. And in the end, just imagine achieving your goal. Just imagine getting your dream job, your business taking off, or traveling to that place you have always wanted to visit. Just imagine speaking perfect English with confidence. So it's like your dreams come true. How amazing would that feel? Right? To just think about it and manifest it. And definitely, I believe you can do it. And I'm also working on my English and I'm improving. I'm also working on my another dreams. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share in this video. And yeah guys, so that's all for today, and thank you so much for all your support and love. Just keep supporting and keep learning, keep speaking, keep moving forward, and we are going to get fluency as soon as possible. So thank you so much guys, and all the best to your journey, and please support and subscribe to my channel.